Hello, everybody. I wanted to do a quick video on my experience with ADS's wheel cleaner, tire cleaner, and Ghost. Um, I wanted to try Ghost for its longevity. Um, I was warned that it's a commitment, so I'm hoping that it will last a while. Um, I'm not very good about cleaning tires and wheels, so thought this might be up my wheelhouse. So without further ado, let me show you what I did. We're gonna start off cleaning the wheels and tires first. We want to make sure that we take away all the previous dressings. We want to make sure we have the cleanest possible surface so that Ghost adheres to it. So we're gonna start off. What we're using today is ADS's tires, and that's diluted 2 to 1. That's what you would get if you purchased the ready-to-use bottle, spray bottle. It's diluted 2 to 1, and we're also using wheels from Armour Detail Supply, and then we're using a variety of brushes here. I got the lube brush there to do the faces, the uh, long barrel brush to do the barrels, the tire brush, and then I got a small brush to do wheel lugs. Also brought out the drill. I'm gonna give it a shot just to make it quicker. We'll give all of those a try and see what comes out best. All right, here we go. We're gonna start off by spraying wheels from Armour Detail Supply. I haven't used this before, so this will be a first. Gonna coat that, spray that very liberally. Make sure I get inside the barrel there. I can already see some of the iron remover start working on there. You can see some of the red coming down, especially bottom right. While that dwells, we're going to start spraying the tire cleaner. Let's start off with the drill. Here, how that goes. Also have a wash bucket here with rinseless in it. We're gonna dip our brush, start with barrel. gonna do the faces. All right. It looks pretty good, but I forgot to do the wheel lug, so that dwells. Let's do another pass at the tires. So we want to make sure we get them as clean as possible. Let's see if manual education does any different. So far, the brush is coming out pretty clean. Rinse. On this wheel, I changed my approach. I'm using Armour Detail Supply tire straight, undiluted. I checked on another tire and I tried it undiluted and I was still getting some browning, so I figured I have the stuff, might as well just go full strength and make easier work for myself. This right here is it's undiluted, and I already had one pass with the drill brush on this tire. You can see it's minimal browning right off the bat. But let's see what happens once I do the brush. Okay. Alright, the last step before prop, what we're gonna do is use tar and sap remover from Stoners. What I'm gonna do is apply it to my microfiber. Looks pretty dirty still, but let's do one more pass. And after that, we should be ready for, we should be prepped for the tire sealant. All right, and for the final step, we're gonna use Ghost, and we're using the Suds Lab foam applicator. We're gonna spray into the got a kind of nice even coat all over the place. I only did 3 or 4 sprays, and what I'm gonna do is spread it around, and then we want to do light coats. All that's set. I'm gonna go do the rest of the tires. After 2 coats, I did another second thin coat on it. You can see sometimes a little bit of streaks or but to be nitpicky. Certain angles. In certain angles here, I could tell there's something, but if you look at it from another, it looks fine. If you look at it from normal viewpoint where people are walking by, they just look nice and shiny and glossy. So I'll see how long that lasts, and I'll keep doing updates on it, on how they turn out, how long it lasts, and longevity and looks. Final thoughts here. The ADS wheel cleaner did a fantastic job at removing iron deposits that were on the wheels. To be honest, I don't clean wheels very often, especially that deep clean. And this did a very good job and made it nice and easy. For the tire cleaner, the diluted version, which is 2-to-1, which is what you would buy if you bought the spray version, that did a really good job. But to speed up the process, I went to the undiluted. I had a gallon of this, and it did a really, really nice job. I had many layers of tire dressings on the tire, and the tire cleaner did a fantastic job at stripping those off. After uh, a couple of cleanings, the tire was bare and ready to accept the coating or the sealant. Um, the wheel brush on the drill is a must if you're doing this. Um, Tried it manually and it wasn't worth the effort. Maintenance, that might be a different story, but for the deep cleaning, I recommend you use a drill with a wheel brush. And for the coating or the sealant, the ghost, it was easy to put on, but it did get a little grabby as you're going, as it starts drying. So you do the nice thin layer and do it nice and quick. And then where I noticed that it was grabby was when I moved the car just so that the tire rotated 180 degrees. I noticed that if I went over an area that I already had it, it was a little grabby, but it wasn't anything of where it was a hindrance, right? So overall, it was an easy way of, or easy application, and it was dry to the touch. As you can see in the background below behind me, the tire looks like it's super wet, but you touch it and it is like almost bare tire. It's bare rubber. Um, it's a weird, it looks wet like it's gonna sling, but it's not. It's completely dry. Overall, I'm enjoying the look of it. I'll be doing updates to see how it stands over time and mileage. I tend to drive quite a bit. Well, that's it for this week. Thank you for stopping by and watching this. I hope you enjoyed, and we'll talk soon. If you like this, please hit the like button, and if you do get a chance, please subscribe. Um, Again, links will be in the description below, and thank you for stopping by.